This is not the best time to make AI content on YouTube for the purpose of monetizing it. This is not the best time, and I'm going to explain this in this video with some examples. So we all know that sometime early last year or so, YouTube introduced their updated version of repetitive content, which they now tag as inauthentic content. That's a good policy, because when you log into your YouTube to watch quality videos, all you see is just AI content, here and there, and most of them are not, they are not quality content. These videos drag a lot of views. They get like millions of views, and this affects human creatives, people that take time to script, edit, shoot their videos and all that. So you see that the human creators, their content compete with AI generated content, and there's no way human creators can be able to compete with AI content, because a creator can upload 2 or 3 videos comfortably in a week, while for AI an AI channel can generate more than 10 videos in a day. So there's no how human creators can compete with AI generated content. So something just happened yesterday, and I thought I should share it with you so that you can be seeing this from another perspective, that the YouTube tracking system, the AI powered tracking system, is not in the best. It's not at its best right now. So making AI videos for YouTube or to upload it on YouTube for the sake of monetizing, I don't think now is the best time. So I have this channel that recently got demonetized. I'm going to show you the analytics of this channel and what actually happened to this channel, which will keep you thinking seriously. That is, if you are making AI, or if you own an AI channel, or you're planning to start one. So this channel was created sometime around December 2025. And you can see after some days, it picked traction and started getting reasonable views. So now this channel got monetized sometime in January. As you can see, that is like about after a month or so, it got monetized, and the monetizing was going well. And currently, the total earning on this channel is about $1,500. So some few days ago, March 20 to be precise, the channel got demonetized. You can see the channel got demonetized. So now, as you can see up here, you can see that the channel has appealed, and the appeal was rejected. Like as you can see here, after careful review of your appeal, your channel remains ineligible for monetization. So this shows that this channel has already appealed. And if you check in the contents page, you can see the appeal video. So this is the appeal video, and you can see it is unlisted. But look at the striking thing here. This is the striking thing here. This appeal video was uploaded on the 23rd with no views. There's no view on the appeal video. Then when you come to the end page, you see that truly the channel owner have appealed, and the appeal was rejected, and they will be eligible to reapply sometime in June 18, 2026. So this tells a whole lot about YouTube's AI system. I think there is a fault, because imagine if this was to be a human reviewer, because we expect that the first issue you might have, like when your channel gets demonetized for inauthentic content, possibly it's an automated system. That's understandable. So now the second phase should be that when you appeal with an appeal video, a human needs to watch that video to reconsider your appeal if you are eligible to get your monetization back. But in this case, nobody watched this video, and a verdict was given against the appeal. So this tells a whole lot that even with the appeal, that we thought that a human will review the appeal, this suggests that it is still the AI doing their thing. Like there's a channel, a creator that talked about a creator that owns multiple channels, and these channels are making like over $40,000 every month, US dollars every month. So one of their channels got demonetized and it affected the rest of the channels. And this channel is a popular channel. I mean, when you watch the channel, you know that this is not just an ordinary AI generated content. I mean, this creator works with a team, and they are doing this thing very well. But unfortunately, when they appealed, YouTube rejected the appeal. If you are trying to appeal, I just want you to confirm this, because I need a lot more creators to confirm this. If you are about to appeal, let me say your channel got demonetized for inauthentic content and you are about to appeal, I will suggest that don't watch the video. After you've done everything, just upload the video on your channel and unlist it as you should, and then submit the video. Don't watch it, so that you can confirm what I'm saying if someone will watch that video. Like, as you can see, nobody watched the appeal video and a verdict was given. So this suggests that there's something faulty about the YouTube system. So in all, what I'm trying to say here is that if you are planning to invest in creating AI generated content like the faceless content and all that, and you are planning to do it for YouTube, or you want to upload your videos on YouTube with intention of monetizing your videos, I think you need to think again. This is not the best time. I'm not discouraging anyone. You can see this guy made about $1,400 in the first 2 months. So there's nothing wrong with that, but just have in mind that the AI system, I mean, if you are doing AI generated content on YouTube, you stand the risk of being flagged. That is certain. No matter how good your content is, no matter how human manipulated or human interference you have on your videos, you stand the risk of being flagged. So from what we have seen now is that even the appeal, it seems like human beings don't even review the appeal. It is possibly an AI, or maybe they don't even go through it. Imagine someone submitting an appeal video and nobody watched it and they gave a verdict against the appeal. So that's all I have to say. If I have other new updates about creating content on YouTube, I will share it here on this channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Also like this video if this video was helpful, and please share this video to other creators so that they will brazen up, especially those who are making AI content. They should brazen up for the reigning time. This is not the best time to make AI generated content on YouTube. That is, if you are making it for the purpose of monetization. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.